Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Roblox critical system files are corrupted error. If you face such issue, then you need to follow these steps. The simple solution, what you could do is here. First of all, you could actually launch the Roblox Player, right click on the mouse and go to open file location. The next thing you want to do is right click and then go to properties. When you go to properties, here comes the compatibility tab. Click that out. Make sure that you've selected run this program in an administrator or compatibility mode, as well as run this program as an administrator. Click apply, click OK. Now then you want to actually restart your PC and see that should be able to fix. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, what next you want to do is here. The other thing you want to do is come to the search bar and you simply want to type in reset. Go to reset this PC, open this up. Now then you want to go ahead and click on reset the PC, and as you've done it, so you want to go ahead and make sure to click on keep my files and then click on the OK button, then follow on the on-screen prompt. And with that being said, this is going to reset, and that should be able to help you out. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.